So when I was watching how to use the Poli Glow, the polyox and the whole system, how to use it properly, part of what their video said was you can use them on headlights. We're gonna find out. Let's go. I'm not sure that the cameras, this is sap, by the way. I'm not sure if the camera's picking up exactly how crazed and hazy that is, but that is, they're terrible. So we're gonna try the polyox with the ultrafine scrub pad, and then we're gonna put the Poli Glow on it. I think I'm just going to use the scrub pad. I'm not going to use the blue handle. Very convincing so far. All right, so you can see that it is not any better, which I kind of figured. Obviously, you're scratching with Scotch-Brite. So let's see what happens.
If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and share the video. Also, hit the notification bell so when I do the 1 month, 6 month, and 1 year reviews, you'll get the notification.
So this is like, I think, the 5th coat, but it's looking pretty good. So the other side, I used the polyox with the ultrafine, the gray Scotch-Brite. On this side, I'm going to try this Poli Prep. It's 3-to-1, or 2-to-1, 2 parts water, 1 cup of Poli Prep. I use this on the boat, and it smells like Simple Green. I know that there's a marine Simple Green. It's blue. I'm not sure if this is the same thing. It might be. So I'm going to try this on this side. The other side came out surprisingly well. No, I'm not going to use that. It's supposed to be an oxidation remover. After this dries, it'll haze back over. Trying to get the dirt and oxidation off of it. Well, it doesn't look too bad, but once it dries, it's going to haze over because I scratched the crap out of it.
So sometimes when you're making videos like this, for whatever reason, this is what happens, and you don't realize it until after you get back and you're editing your video. What happened was the video stopped recording completely, but the audio continued. So I don't have any footage of the rest of this process. Really, all I did was continue cleaning it with the Poli Prep spray, and then I just did the same thing that I did with the other headlight with the Poli Glow. This side I only put, I think, 3 coats on, so definitely the Poli Prep is the way to go for sure. So as you can see, the video stopped again. This side was done with the Poli Prep with 3 coats of Poli Glow. The results are incredible.